Today's video will go over the assembly of your Zipr Xtra Mobility Scooter. The Zipr Xtra Mobility Scooter line features an unremovable panel, providing the rider an additional 4 inches of legroom over standard traveler models. Your mobility scooter has 5 main parts: the front section, the basket, the rear section, the battery box, and the seat. Many components of the Zipr Mobility Scooter come pre-assembled, such as the front and rear of the scooter. Start by locking the wheels, pushing the freewheel lever backwards. Next, you'll want to unscrew the tiller knob and raise the tiller. Tighten the tiller knob to secure the tiller into place. Now, let's attach the basket. Secure the seat post by inserting and locking the seat post pin to your desired height. Insert the seat by aligning the seat post to the seat. Now let's put the armrests in. Grab the armrest and place it into the armrest slot, tightening it with the screw. Your mobility scooter is now fully assembled. As an American family-owned business, we'd like to thank you for supporting Zipr Mobility.